that's how I am, that's how I do. It's all on you. You wanna leave right now? We can go right now, not now, right now. Let's ride. I see you got your eyes on me. Ain't seen a guy fly as me. Every day that's how I be. Make you feel like you're high off E. What you smoking, what you drinking, let a nigga know. Oh, you already drinking, we can get some more. Make a pit stop, go and hit the liquor store. Get a room, chill and smoke this dro. Time pass while we chillin', so I make a move. Start kissing on the neck and she like, ooh. Pull the belt off, pull the pants off, pull the shirt off, pull the bra off, pull the panties off. That ass so soft, using only body language, no talk. Put the rubber on, then we went real hard. Sex so good, I nutted and I was still hard. You want a nigga that'll treat you good. You want a nigga that'll keep it good. You want a nigga that'll make you smile. You want a nigga that'll hold it down. That's me, that's how I am, that's how I do. It's all on you. You wanna leave right now? We can go right now, not now, right now. Let's ride. On top cover or undercover, fuck or make love like no other. I could be your brother or undercover lover. She got a man, only call me to cut her. I can play the daddy, you can play the mother. Lights soft, candles lit, all different colors. Joe C on repeat, make your heart flutter. Play with fire, you get burned, melt like butter. Yeah, I'm a hustler, but when that rubber go on top of my dick, personality switch. Yeah, I want to lick all on them tits. Yeah, I want to grip all on them hips. Yeah, I like that pussy when it's soaking wet. Say you like the ride, you ain't showed me yet. Don't be shy, baby, come on and use your tongue. Stick it all the way out and let's have fun. You want a nigga that'll treat you good.